In this video, I will be teaching you how to create an email account. For that, first of all, open your Gmail app. If you are already logged in, you see this homepage. Now we are going to create a new account. So at your top right corner, you see your account icon. Tap on there. Now at the bottom, you see add another account option. Tap on there. It will ask for your fingerprint for verification or just simply use your PIN. If you want to create a Google account, just tap on Google, but we have some other options as well. Now you see and create account option, tap on there for my personal use. Now you need to type your first name and your last name. Now tap on next button. Now provide your date of birth and your gender. Now again at your bottom right corner you see a next option, tap on there. Now it will ask for your username, so type the username that you want to use. Now create a password that you want to use. Now again tap on next button. Now provide a phone number for your verification. Again at the bottom right corner you see an next option. Scroll down and tap on I agree option. In this way your new Gmail account is created. You can just verify by again clicking at the top right corner, and at the bottom you see your newly created account.